So you probably find it helpful to save this EPA checklist to your laptop and your phone. So if I just go through that process, just open it up, save it as a bookmark, stick it on my bookmarks bar. So now if I just close those down, anytime I open up my browser, I can go straight to the checklist, and it's just there as a reminder, so I can just sort of tick off the boxes as I go through the process. For the EPA, there's a lot of steps and it's easy to forget some. And if I need a reminder of anything specific, say for example, I just want a quick reminder of how to complete Feedback Plus. So I'll just go straight to that and open up the guidance. And if I want it, I can also open up the exemplar. So the idea is that it's quick, easy access to the basics of what we need to do, and we think it's probably useful to have it on hand, saved to your laptop, saved to your phone if you can.